Hello, and welcome to Acmeware's demonstration of the ARRA Report Manager application. For non-web ambulatory facilities, the ARRA Report Manager application is a helpful tool to monitor hospital ECQMs and PI objective measures. Once a URL has been established for the application, just open a new browser window to log in. Logging in is as simple as entering your assigned username and the password that was generated by the application specific to your user. Then, select Continue in the bottom right-hand corner of the login box. Once logged in, the home page will appear. The top ribbon displays the Home, Help, Manage, and Account tabs. Use the Home tab to default back to the home page. Hover over the Help tab to select from the four available options: User Manual, Contact Information, About, as well as Updates. The Manage tab is where to go to add, remove, or reset a user password. Finally, the Account tab gives the options to change a password and log out. Clicking on the live environment in the navigation panel will display the detail for the environment. At the bottom of this page, there are options to edit, delete, check for SQL updates, set user access, which is needed once a user is created within the Manage tab shown earlier in this demonstration, and vendor report version history. There are two boxes to the right of the navigation panel. The first is to add an environment, and the second is to delete an environment. Use the plus sign on the left side of the screen to expand the live environment. Within the live environment, there are four folders: Parameters, Reports, Updates, and Value Sets. Use the plus sign to the left of the Parameters folder to expand it. Core Menu, CQM, Objective, and AUR are options. I am selecting CQM, confirming the correct reporting year, then using the parameter name dropdown. Scroll through the list of parameters to make a selection. Add a parameter value by entering it into the Values field and selecting Add at the bottom of the box. To remove a parameter, click on the value in the box and select Remove at the bottom of the box. There is also an Export Configuration Table feature that provides an export document of the entire configuration table instead of having to look at them individually. Use the plus sign to the left of the Reports folder to expand it. Objective, CQM, and AUR options exist. Use the plus sign to the left of each option to further expand for Run Reports, Execution History, or Manage Preferences. Run Reports allows the selection of date ranges, from and through dates, and measures in order to capture measure performance. Execution History provides the results of run reports. Select any measure with a completed status to view performance rate, initial population, denominator, denominator exclusions, or numerator values. To see additional detail, select any of the population count values. Expanding the arrow to the left of the unit number will provide detail of the encounter. Selecting the visit ID, which is underlined blue font, will provide details for each element of the measure for the patient selected. Within this view, there are additional arrows to the left of the unit number for more details. Also, notice at the top of the screen a tab to expand or collapse all, as well as a tab to print or export the details being viewed. Manage Preferences provides a list of all hospital CQM measures and the option to allow execution to the far right of the screen. Use the plus sign to the left of the Updates folder to expand it. Check for SQL updates, Manage Preferences, and Table Health Check options exist. Check for SQL updates provides the updates for the application, when those updates were last updated, and the option to install them. Manage Preferences is used to identify objects that have been customized within the SQL database, so that those objects are ignored when updates are installed. Table Health Check can be used to confirm, by report type, that all DR tables which populate our Report Manager are running and up to date. Use the plus sign to the left of the Value Sets folder to expand. Import value sets is the only option here. This function can be used to import value sets for a specific reporting year if needed. This concludes our demonstration of the ARRA Report Manager application. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you.